Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. My today's tutorial is on this beautiful heart coaster, and it has got a beautiful candy cane border. So let's begin the tutorial. For this project I have used a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So at first we will take the yarn and loop it around our finger, forming an X, and turn our fingers and insert the hook below the first loop, and from below we will draw the second loop. And then we will yarn over and draw the yarn through the loop, and in this way we meet the magic circle. We will now begin the first round. For that we will do a chain 2 at first, and then in the magic circle we will do 3 triple crochet stitches. Then we will do 3 double crochet stitches in the magic circle. And with this the first half of the heart is done. Then we will do the bottom portion of the heart. So for that we will do 1 double crochet stitch in the magic circle, followed by a triple crochet stitch, and then a double crochet stitch. And this is the bottom portion of the heart, and it's done. Then we will do the next half of the heart, which is just the mirror image of the first half. So we are doing 3 double crochet stitches, then 3 triple crochet stitches, and then we will complete the first round with the chain 2, and we will slip stitch in the magic circle, followed by a chain 1. In order to close the magic circle, just pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. And now we will begin the round 2. We will do 2 single crochet stitches in the first chain 2 space of the previous round, and then in the first triple crochet stitch we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches. In the same way we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches in each of the next 2 stitches. Then in the following 3 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. In the next stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches, and with this the first half of the heart is done. In the next stitch we will do 1 double crochet stitch, followed by 1 triple crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet stitch in the same stitch, and the lower portion of the heart is done. Now the next half will be the mirror image of the first half. So in the next stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches, in the next 3 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those, And in the next 3 stitches we will be doing 3 double crochets in each one of those. And then in the last chain 2 space we will be doing 2 single crochet stitches. After that we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the magic circle, followed by a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. The second round completed, and now we will begin the third round. So in the first 2 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. In the next stitch we will do 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Then in the following 8 stitches we will be doing 2 double crochets in each one of those. And then in the following 5 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. In the following stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, and with this the first half of the heart is done. We will now do the lower part of the heart in the next stitch. So in the next stitch we are doing 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So the lower portion of the heart is done. Now the next half of the heart is just the mirror image of the first half. So in the next stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches, in the next 5 stitches we will be doing 1 double crochet in each one of those. In the next 8 stitches we will be doing 2 double crochets in each one of those. Then in the following stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochet stitches, and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. In the last 2 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those, and then we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the magic circle, followed by a chain 1, and then we will finally cut the yarn because our heart pattern is now complete. We will now simply do the border of the heart. Weave in the loose ends of the heart, and it's ready. Now we will do the border. For this I have chosen 2 colors. One is pink and another one is a sky blue. So let's take the pink colored yarn first and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. And then we will slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of the previous round of the heart. And then we will do chain 5. And we will just leave it as it is and take out the hook. We will take another yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in the blue colored slip knot, and we will slip stitch in the next stitch of the previous round, just adjacent to the pink colored one. And in the same way we will do 5 chains. And leave it as it is. Insert your hook in the pink colored loop now and put the blue colored yarn backwards. Insert your hook in the pink colored loop and slip stitch in the next stitch after the blue colored one. And then do chain 5. And after that take out the hook and insert the hook in the blue colored slip knot and put the pink colored chain portion backwards like this, and insert your hook in the next stitch after the pink colored one and do a slip stitch there, followed by chain 5. I hope you understood the pattern by this time. We will repeat this pattern throughout the round in this manner. Now we will again take the pink colored loop and insert the hook in it and put the blue colored chain portion backwards, and then we will slip stitch in the next stitch just after the blue colored one, and then we will do chain 5. And we will continue doing like this throughout the round. We have nearly done the majority of the border, and see how beautiful it's looking. It will look like this. Okay, so let's proceed. We will slip stitch in the next stitch after the blue colored yarn, and then do chain 5. And take out the hook, insert the hook in the blue colored slip knot and put the pink colored chain portion backwards, and then slip stitch in the next stitch after the pink colored one. So we are doing the slip stitches in the alternate stitches, and then we are doing chain 5 for both the yarns. Okay, in this manner we will continue this pattern throughout this round. Insert your hook in the pink colored slip knot, put the blue colored chain portion backward, then slip stitch in the next stitch after the blue colored one, and then do chain 5 and repeat it. Isn't this pattern easy? So we will quickly complete this round in the same manner till we reach the end of this round. We have reached the end nearly. We will continue with our stitches for the last few stitches. So insert your hook in the blue loop and then slip stitch in the next stitch after the pink one, followed by chain 5. Take out the yarn, insert the hook in the pink one, and then slip stitch in the last stitch of this round, and after that we will do a chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn and pull out the loop. So the work with the pink colored yarn is completed. Now insert the hook in the blue loop and then simply do a slip stitch in the first chain of the blue colored chain like this. You don't have to do any chain stitches anywhere. So insert your hook in the first chain of that blue colored chains and do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn and pull the loop and tighten it. We will straighten our heart by folding at the top mid portion. Okay, and our coaster is ready. Isn't this pretty with this candy cane border? Yes, it is. I hope the tutorial was easy for you to follow. Just remember that at the end you will fold it at the top portion like this, otherwise your heart will be crooked. Anyways, I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you like this, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. I have a website at www.hookedandloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. I will add the written pattern in my website very soon, so just stay tuned. Thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.